Are you tired of constantly wiping fingerprints and water spots off your kitchen faucet? Or maybe you're looking for a faucet that actually delivers powerful spray pressure without sacrificing style. Today, I'm reviewing the Moen Adler Spot Resist Stainless One-Handle High-Arc Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet, Model 87233 SRS. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether this faucet is worth your money or if you should skip it altogether. So make sure you watch till the end. Product features. Let's start with what the Moen Adler 87233 SRS brings to the table. First up is Power Clean Spray technology. Moen claims this faucet delivers 50% more spray power compared to standard pull-down faucets. And in real-world use, you definitely feel that extra strength when rinsing dishes or cleaning the sink. The faucet also features Moen's reflex system, which allows the pull-down sprayer head to operate smoothly and dock securely every time. No loose sprayer hanging down. Everything snaps back into place cleanly. Installation is very flexible. This faucet can mount either on the sink or countertop, and Moen includes an optional deck plate, making it compatible with both single-hole and three-hole setups. One of the biggest highlights is the Spot Resist stainless finish, which helps resist fingerprints and water spots, perfect for busy kitchens that need to stay looking clean with minimal effort. In terms of safety, this faucet meets Federal Safe Drinking Water Act and NSF 61 standards, meaning it's certified safe for clean drinking water. It's also ADA compliant, making it easy to use for people of all abilities. Finally, Moen builds this faucet with durable premium materials and tests it beyond industry standards, so it's designed to handle years of daily use without issues. Pros and cons. Pros. Powerful Power Clean Spray makes dishwashing faster and easier. Spot Resist stainless finish keeps the faucet looking cleaner longer. Smooth and reliable reflex docking system. Flexible installation with included deck plate. Safe for drinking water and ADA compliant. Strong build quality backed by Moen's trusted reputation. Cons. Slightly more expensive than basic kitchen faucets. High arc design may feel large for very small sinks. Limited finish options compared to some premium models. Overall review. Overall, the Moen Adler Spot Resist stainless pull-down kitchen faucet is a solid, dependable choice for homeowners who want power, reliability, and a clean, modern look without going overboard on price. It's especially great for busy households, people who cook often, or anyone who wants a faucet that stays cleaner and performs well year after year. If you value strong spray performance, easy maintenance, and long-term durability from a trusted brand, this faucet is absolutely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more honest kitchen faucet reviews, and check the product link in the description if you want to see today's price or grab one for your kitchen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.